Today I'm showing you the fastest ways to pin any apps to your Windows 11 taskbar. We will use three methods. The first method is the Start menu shortcut. So click on the Start menu, and here the apps you can see, you can pin them here by right-clicking here and then click Pin to Taskbar. You'll see that it is pinned here now. So this was our first method. The second method is when an app is already running. So I'll just run Paint app. So you have an app running already. You can just right click and then click Pin to Taskbar. Let's click it to show that it is still pinned to the taskbar. Okay. If you want to find the app, you can just search it here, and let's select. You can just write down Zoom. Probably you can also pin it from here. You can just click Pin to Start, and it will be pin to taskbar, and it will be pinned here. Our third method is drag and drop. So again, we go to the Start menu, and let's select you want to pin this calculator. You can just drag and drop and put it here, and it is pinned now. So these are super easy, right? And if you want to unpin any of them, you can just right click and then select unpin from taskbar. So this is super easy, and if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and leave any questions you have on the comment section below. Thanks a lot.